Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you.
It's as simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love.
Hannah is the one you cherish. Hannah is the one you love. And Hannah is the one you dream of. And Hannah is the one you chase. Hannah is the one you waste all your time thinking of. But what about me? 'Cause you look at me with big brown eyes, smile at me like I'm your sunrise. Remember things at the perfect times, see through me, make sure I'm fine. You say sweet dreams almost every night, call my name and it feels right. Laugh and say that you missed mine, pull me close and hold me tight.
When nights last forever and days run away, the world makes us fly by into the gray. With every season, every change, you'll be the sunlight